Hi guys, my name is Samuel, Super Forex Technical Analyst. Today shall be looking at gold USD on the 4 hours time frame. And we shall be using MACD indicator in conjunction with price action to determine where the trend is headed. First and foremost, let's do the support and resistance levels. I have a resistance here. We have a support down here. Now, the MACD indicator is one of the simplest and most effective momentum indicators. Trading MACD double divergence, if done correctly, can provide you with a real edge in the market. Let's go ahead and add the MACD indicator. Start. Let's play with these settings here. Input should be left the way they are. MACD indicator, let's change this color to green. Let's make it little. Let's add another level here. Zero level. Okay, nice. Now, when MACD is on the zero line, this is the zero line here, it indicates that the market, when the MACD is on the zero line, do not take a long or short trade. And when MACD is above the zero line, it indicates that the market is bullish. But take note, not all the time. When MACD is below line 0, it indicates that the market is bearish. Now, let's add the 50 EMA, then we look for conditions toward the moving average. Let's click on insert, indicator, trend, then you'll see moving average. The period should be 50 and method should be exponential moving average. Then leave everything as it is. Press OK. Nice. Moving averages are used because they respond more quickly to changes in price. Now, these are the conditions. When the MACD is above, when the MACD line, this red line, this one, this is the MACD line. When MACD line and histogram, this is histogram, these lines, this green graph, this is the histogram, are below zero line, it indicates that we are on a downtrend. Like here, this indicates that we were on a downtrend. And to confirm that, we need to use 50 EMA. When the 50 EMA is above the price, and pointing down, we can confirm that this is a downtrend. Like here, the 50 EMA is above the price and it's pointing down. It's pointing down. We can confirm that this is a downtrend because of these conditions: the histogram, the MACD line, and the EMA. Let me draw a trend line here to show you to confirm a trend change. Now, we can see here that the MACD line and histogram is above zero line. This tells us that the market is on an uptrend here. It's above. To confirm that this was a trend change from downtrend to uptrend, we can see that the market, the trend line, this trend line that we've drawn right now, the trend line in the 50 EMA plus the support level coincides here. They are both on the same area. That is a clear confirmation that this is a trend change and we are going on an uptrend. The market will rise. I hope this works for you. Thank you so much for watching.